Our students come from every county in Michigan, from 46 states and from 59 foreign countries. They come to study a diverse array of programs in 8 different colleges. Ferris State University maintains strong emphasis programs in specialized, skilled, and fast-growing occupations and is commonly known for training people to be ready for work on the first day of the job. From the very beginning, Woodbridge Ferris, the founder of Ferris, wanted to provide education for technical people. You can still see that focus today, especially in the College of Engineering Technology, with programs such as welding, construction, electrical, mechanical design, and HVACR.
The program has progressed through the years. It was the associate degree was started in 1972, and the Bachelor of Science program in Welding Engineering Technology was established in 1984. Primarily in '84, I would say it was started as to support the automotive industry in Michigan, and we have now expanded to many other areas.
I chose this welding program because it's not very one-sided. We're able to use many different processes. Weld cost, weld size, it's all different parts of welding that when I first came here I really didn't even know, and in the last few years I've been able to gain experience in all of that. With welding, there's a tremendous amount of things that you can get into, with estimating weld costs, with weld quality testing. Actually getting into welding technology allows you to run all the processes. There's so many things that welding can open the doors for you to do. Even if you don't like to personally weld yourself, you learn the concepts of it and you can actually make welding a better thing for more people in industry.
It's a great program. You get a lot more information than what you're going to get out of a lot of other universities with welding, and you're just going to learn a lot, and it's going to be worth the experience.
Construction management is exactly what it sounds like. It's managing the construction process.
The construction management program is a 4-year bachelor's degree that comes with a 2-year associate's degree, either in building construction technology or civil engineering technology, based on what you want to do with the field as you go.
Our program, the construction management program, is a good example of what makes Ferris different. And from that big picture standpoint, what makes Ferris as a university different is our degree offerings are degrees that get you a job. There's so many different ways to go with a construction management degree. Everything from you could be an estimator, project manager, there's the cost side of things, there's scheduling, facilities management, on and on and on. There's so many different ways, and you can build your career on any one of those things.
Biggest industries in America, the demand for professionals and hard workers is always in demand, and I think that's what Ferris State University, and especially our construction management program here, really offers.
Energy Systems is looking at energy from a wide viewpoint. The student can study alternative, or they can look at generation of electricity, distribution, smart grid, or they can concentrate on buildings and energy systems in buildings. That's one of the 3 paths that they could take.
Ferris has a long legacy in energy control, energy efficiency, and we've really developed quite a name, not only in Michigan, but nationally for energy.
I kind of wanted to study the energy system degree at Ferris. It's because they kind of started up while I was still in electrical and mechanical, and it was easy for me to switch from mechanical to energy systems since they're pretty close together. Plus, energy systems is pretty interesting.
I've been in energy for 40 years and really wanted a degree like this. I wish I'd had a degree like this when I was back in college.
Manufacturing engineering technology is using scientific principles and engineering principles to determine the best way to manufacture products.
Manufacturing engineering at Ferris State is an extremely hands-on approach to learning here, and so I chose it because we were able to work with our hands and get dirty and have projects. We're out on the CNC equipment all the time, and so it's hands-on.
Places that our students end up with is becoming quite a wide variety. They end up in the medical fields, the food processing fields. They're in the, like John Deere tractor, Whirlpool, automotive companies, aircraft companies. It's a wide variety of jobs because manufacturing is manufacturing.
We've had near 100% placement back as far as anyone can remember in this program. Basically, anybody that wants to work in the manufacturing engineering field with a degree from Ferris can be. Average starting salary has been above $50,000 per year for the last few years. That consistently ranks us in the top 5 here at Ferris for all bachelor's of science degrees. So really, the sky's the limit with this program.
We are the only 4-year bachelor's degree program in the country in HVAC.
Ferris is a little bit different than many schools in that we have many different laboratories.
I chose Ferris because I first actually looked around at a couple different schools. We came out here, me and my dad, and we just saw the lab and everything, and we were just blown away. It just blew the other schools out of the park.
What really sets our students apart is the fact that they are able to perform as soon as they hit the job market. The reason for that is that our classes are practical application classes.
The products that we use here are top of the line and right what we'll see in the industry. I come out of here, go to a job site, and I see the exact same air handler.
At Ferris, we're lucky enough that our industry donates large pieces of equipment as well as smaller pieces, so our students see equipment both from the small residential market to a larger commercial and industrial market.
For HVAC, things that set Ferris apart would be the teacher relationship here. Been to other colleges, the teachers here care more about you. They're not here because they have to be, they're here because they want to be.
It's small. I feel like it's a community here. Like, it's a whole HVAC community. Everyone looks out for each other and kind of cares about each other.
Every student that I have this semester, I know first name, last name.
We go hang out with our professors. We've gone bowling with them a couple times.
I think the teachers are great. They've all been in the field, have tons of experience.
Got some real serious success stories that have come out of our program.